Apple fans, welcome back to another video from Applesutra, your go-to place for Apple news, views and reviews in India. If you are an iPad user and like me, if you're in the habit of taking down notes or using the iPad for writing extensively using your Apple Pencil, then this product that we are reviewing next is going to be very, very useful for you. So let's take a look. So what do we have here? Well, not this piece of cardboard, but what's inside the cardboard is super special. This is a screen guard from Paperlike, and it is unlike any other screen guard that you have seen. Ooh, what's special? Let's find out. That is satisfying. Paperlike has been kind enough to send across a review unit to Applesutra, and we are going to be unboxing it here for you and seeing what it's all about. Like I said before, this screen guard is unlike any other. It's for the current generation iPad mini, which is this beautiful looking thing over here. It says over here that it's for creators and doers. It helps you write with greater accuracy. It improves endurance and reduces muscle fatigue. And it converts the screen into an almost paper-like feel. It also says that they've given us 2. So let's find out how many pieces they've sent us. Ooh, another thing to rip. Rip open here. I have no idea why this is so satisfying, but it is. This is for people like me. This application is no rocket science. The packaging could certainly improve. So we were right. We got 2 screen covers for the iPad, which means that if we mess up with one, we have another fallback option. They also have sent us very beautiful artwork as a postcard. So we also have the installation tools over here. Ooh, I don't want to damage the artwork. Very pretty thing this is. Let's just leave it here for all of you to enjoy. There's an installation guide. We tried all screen protector application methods, so you don't have to. Interesting. And let's see what's in here. Okay, so this says it's a dust absorber that is used to clean the dust on the screen. And 3 pink guide stickers. So this seems to be some sort of a cleaning cloth. And I'm sure that it's used to clean the iPad once this thing is in place, or maybe before it. We still have to go through the instructions and see how exactly this thing is installed. And then we have wet wipes. iPad, need wet wipes. Hi wet wipes, how are you? Alright, so we are now going to go ahead and try and install it and get back to you on how the experience was. Wish us luck. back, guys. So we have installed the Paperlike screen protector. But before I show you that, there are two other things that I wanted to show you. One is this. This is a cleaning kit that Paperlike has sent exclusively for their product. Oh, another rip open here. I love these guys. This wasn't as smooth as the other one, but oopsie-doo. Oh, yet another note from them. And another thing that they have sent us, an Apple Pencil grip set. They're available in 2 different sizes depending on what you're comfortable with. And it's nice, it's light. It feels pretty good. Oh, there's a cute little tick in it. And you can decide which one is more comfortable based on your preference. Let me just install one and get back to you. It goes in fairly smoothly. I mean, not very easily, but then again, if it went in very easily, it means it would come off also pretty easily. So I'm not sure where this is supposed to stop, but I guess for me, wherever it feels intuitive in your hands and whichever helps you write better, but I like it. Make sure that the pencil doesn't keep rolling away. It feels a bit more, good in your hands, probably comfortable to write with also. All right, then let's look at the screen protector and what it looks like, what it feels like. I'm excited to tell you what I think about the product. Nice. It gives the iPad a matte feel. There's more texture to the screen now. I mean, earlier it was flatter, but right now it has more texture, which for me, I personally like. In terms of scrolling, I don't really see a lot of difference between earlier and now. Let's see how it works on note-taking app. So this is the note-taking app that I use most frequently, GoodNotes, and let's see how it writes. So the first thing that I notice when you're writing with the pencil on this, once the screen has been installed, is that it isn't as smooth as what it used to be earlier. But if you are the kind who likes to write on a notebook, this is a very pleasant feel. There is a little bit of like I said, the texture is there. It does feel a little bit like I am writing on paper. And I guess in that, Paperlike seems to have done a fairly good job of recreating that feel. In terms of how the pencil is working, it's working without a hitch. I don't notice any major difference in how it's writing. There are no starts and stops that would indicate that the screen cover is a hindrance. And I think all in all, I feel like note-taking on this would be quite interesting. So I'm fairly happy with what I'm experiencing on the note-taking app. Let's go ahead and see what it feels like when you're looking at videos or when you're reading an article, or if you're watching, if you're looking at photographs, which is generally what I tend to do on this iPad. So as far as videos go, let's see. So there does seem to be a bit of a difference in the screen quality, and it does look a bit, the colors do look a bit diffused. But I mean, honestly, if you ask me, it's not a deal breaker for me. I kind of tend to live in the yesteryears, and I'm enjoying the slight matte finish to it. Looking at photos, again, it is a bit muted. The colors do look a bit muted. But for me, it's a very pleasant muting of the colors. It's almost as if somebody has put a kind of a old world filter on the iPad. I find it very pleasant to look at. Reading wise also, the reading experience is not compromised in any way. Kind of gives it a Kindle-like feel. But yeah, I mean, I don't feel as if the screen guard is impacting the way that I use the iPad, or I will be using it in the future. In fact, looking at it purely from the way in which I write, I believe that I'm going to be writing quite happily on this. So it's a huge thumbs up from my side. If you'd like to buy Paperlike, we'll be leaving a link to it in the description, so check it out. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our videos for more such updates. Bye bye. See ya. Hi, this is Pooja from Applesutra. I hope you liked the video and the review that we put together for you. The review could not have been possible without our on-site tech genius, Kshitija. She applied the screen protector and she did a wonderful job of it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.